Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's me, your girl Fiona, back at it again. Sorry.
I'm Caitlin.
Hey guys, it's me, Fiona, and I'm here with my friend, Kitty Cat Caitlin, and we're here to do a trend that was famous in, 2010? But we're reviving it, because I'm all about reviving these challenges. So what are we doing today, girl?
Yoga challenge.
Heck yeah, and most of you know I'm an experienced yoga master. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first pose will be right here. Sorry. Ah! We got challenge. Challenge number 1, hashtag complete. Challenge number 2 is gonna be right here on top of her because she won't move.
I think you turn this way.
What you're telling me is you can support my entire body weight with your hands and arms.
I am.
There's no way.
I 100%. Oh, you're right. You were right. Okay.
I was right?
Yeah.
I'm scared. You're gonna drop me.
Okay.
Can we have like a third person here for this stunt?
I don't think so.
Amanda!
I feel to lean back into Amanda's arms.
Your feet are not near enough flat.
I know, but I have to be able to hold. I have to be able to hold her feet.
This is not gonna happen. Caitlin, are you gonna go?
Caitlin, you're fired.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm not letting go of Fiona. She's gonna die.
So the next one we're doing is right here.
Okay, ready?
This means core.
Oh gosh. Okay, I have to go like this.
Do I put my
Okay.
hands on top?
Ready? Oh, straight! We should have done this in my garage, so in case you fall, you won't get hurt.
Okay.
Stop making that face.
And then the next pose.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is completely wrong, but whatever.
I hate Amanda. I haven't done a back bend in a while.
Ready, set, go.
I haven't done a back bend. I'm gonna do the easy chicken
Ah, my back! Ah!
Ah! We got it!
I cannot! Ah.
Next one is the most basic one everyone does.
You have to grab hands.
Okay,
Frick, am I gonna reach it?
give me those hands.
Where's it go? No.
What's wrong with you? Give me. You're not even trying. Give me. Leave me. You need to lean forward.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Grandma, mom, was it?
Okay.
Next one's right here. Frame. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Ow! My toes just. Stop leaning backwards. Yeah. The next one, boys and girls, is really easy because we're uncultured.
Ready, set, go.
Like,
Set.
okay, guys, can you sit down? Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. It's a quick, short, fast video of the different yoga pieces we did. They're pretty litty, but like, you know, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So if you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments down below for what you want next. And I guess until next time.